Changing the front lights on the BMW 1 Series, it's the F20. From the top you can access the daytime running light, the high beam and the sidelight bulb. The top one is the daytime running light. And it's just a wedge bulb, a W21W bulb. Below the daytime running light bulb that you've just removed is the high beam, and it needs twisting anti-clockwise to remove it, and you better hope that you've got small hands. And it's just a H7 bulb. When you're refitting the bulb, make sure that you're not touching the glass or wear gloves. The last bulb is the sidelight bulb, and it's much easier to remove the sidelight once the other bulbs are out of the way. It's really difficult to get these out with the bulbs in situ. And you've just got a H6W bulb. The top of the bulb is this side and it fits that way. Then to refit, you need to get the bulb in position. Twist it clockwise. The dip beam and the indicator bulb are both accessible in the wheel arch. You need to remove this access cover here. I'm using Bojo tip 52. Turn this cover anti-clockwise, and at the bottom you've got the dip beam, and at the top you've got the indicator bulb. The dip beam bulb is the same as the high beam up top. Twist anti-clockwise to remove the holder, and then you've got a H7 bulb that's slotted in. And the orientation of the bulb is the same as the high beam, so that side to the top. Obviously when you're fitting the new bulb, make sure you're wearing gloves or don't touch the glass. The indicator bulb is above the dip beam, and twist anti-clockwise to remove, and you've got a PY21W bulb. Remove all the 8mm screws that you can see in this area of the wheel arch liner and pull the lower section out to reveal the back of the fog lamp. Disconnect the wiring and twist anti-clockwise to remove the H8 bulb.